Python has a built-in string class named str with many handy features. Strings in Python are identified as a continuous set of characters in between quotation marks. As we saw in previous video, Python allows either pair of single or double quotes, although single quotes are more commonly used. Triple quotes can be used for multiple line text. For example, here I am making two strings. First one is hello and second one is world. Python strings are immutable, which means they cannot be changed after they are created. Since strings cannot be changed, we construct new string using plus or repeater operator. Plus operator used for concatenate two strings and asterisk operator used for display multiple strings. A method is like a function, but it returns on an object, because everything in Python is object. Here are some of the most common string methods. First one is lower and upper. It returns the lowercase or uppercase version of the string. Second one is alpha, digit or space. If all the string characters are either alpha, digit or space, then it returns true or fails if not. Third one is find. It searches for the given string within A and returns the first string indexed where it begins, or -1 if not found. Fourth one is replace. It returns a string where all occurrence of old string have been replaced by new string. In this example, world is replaced by India. Characters in string can be accessed using slice. Like Java and C++, Python uses zero-based indexing. So if string is hello, then A of 2 returns character at position 2. The basic syntax of slice is object in square bracket start colon end. For example, A of 3 returns character starting at index 1 and extending up to 4, but not including index 4. Another example is 1 colon. Here we omitting end part, so it returns character starting at index 1 till the end of the string. And vice versa for A of colon 3. And if we put only colon in brackets, then it shows whole string. The standard zero-based index numbers gives easy access to the character near to the starting of the string. But Python also provides negative number to give easy access to the character at the end of the string. It counts back from the string. For example, A of -3 colon -1 returns LL. Another example is -3 colon. It returns a last 3 characters.